So today we're gonna do like room tours like for Halloween. Okay, so we're gonna start off in Oscar's house. Okay, so it's just like a basic kitty room with like fishes. If you can see it right there. And then like the bed, and then we have like a train track set and like bugs right here. We have a radio, some plants, some what are these called? They're like loids or gargoyles or something like that. And then we have some here. And we have like a phone right here. It's just gonna be quick. It's not gonna take so long. So next, we're going to the house that is the closest. So we're going to Connor's house. I look like a mummy, a rock mummy, because the shirt. That's annoying. The mailbox. Just imagine that mailbox going all night and your neighbor doesn't pick your mail. Okay, so we just went in another person's house. So they have like this modern, I think it's like ape-line. So they just have like a set right here, a trash can, a shirt, some plants, a teddy bear, some perfect apples, radio with KK Marathon, and a speaker, if you can see that right there. Right there. We're gonna go to the upstairs. I'm sorry if you could hear my animals, my pets, and the fridge. Okay, so right here is like a beach vibe kind of thing. They just put like a sea globe, a volleyball net, a chest. You could see like the gold and diamonds stuff, and like a little model of the, I think it's from Happy Home Designer, the little house. Hey, sorry, my quail was making this like weird sound, and it sounded like an alarm going off. It scared me. She probably wants me to feed her, but I already fed her like 3 times. I don't know whose house is this. Let me check. Ashley. So this house is very small, so it won't have much things. So it has like a balloon, oh, cockroach, ice wardrobe closet thing, like a lovely bed, paw print wall, a glass table, like I think that's like a tea, like the thing you pour tea out of, and like a little cactus plant, and then like the basic flooring that you get when you get a new house or a new room. Moving on to the last house, which is Kelly's. And then we'll just be fixing the rooms. We might do like a fish room for the fish fam. Okay, so it's like a regular palace thing. That looks like an illusion when I go around. Look at the table. And it looks like if the squares are spinning. But it's just because I'm going around. Cockroaches in here. So it's a regular carpet, a regular wall, a regular bookcase, a surveillance camera. I think it's like I don't know what table it is, and then it's a bug trophy, the little happy home designer model, a soda fountain, and I think that's Pothos. I think that's like a HH shirt or something like that. And then like some, like a little bell, the little, I think drawer, ice drawer, and then like a design right there. Another room has a genie lamp, like a little radio, rainbow wall. I'm not sure what the floor is. A bed. I know it's like designed like custom when you take it to Cyrus to design your stuff. And then like a little crib right there, and like the little, forgot what it's called, but it's that. The little thing for the babies. And then I think we have like 2 rooms left, and that's it. Yep, 2 rooms left. We're gonna try to get through this quick because I don't have a lot of time. So we have the wall and like Astro sofa. I think it's like the mush drawer, a bed, a rose couch, I forgot what this is, a chair, and then tissues, and then I think this is a microphone. So in this room, have a princess sofa, rainbow wall, a board, and another sofa. Okay, well that's it for today. Bye.